Mobuga Rolanda Msajela, it was to be a cover sometimes behind Udensin, because Udensin is a young boy. He is bound to make a mistake, because their role, Abenigwe Namhlanje, is a very, very crucial role. It's spine Orlando Pirates, and the Pirates is one of the big teams in South Africa. So to get a role, number 6, it's not for child's play. But Umbana Mnanege held his head high on the first half. I think he played very, very well, in my opinion. Only in the second half, where he showed the signs of tiredness, and passes were not completed. And sometimes he was a little bit lazy or late to the ball. But in my opinion, he should have been substituted in the 50th minute, because he showed the signs of tiredness in the second half. Finally, the coach gave him a little bit more time towards the game. Maybe it was building the confidence not to break him, which management so you cannot question.